So now let's do these two sides. That's a 21-inch cabinet, there's an 18-inch cabinet. We're gonna start out with putting together the return first, and then we'll cut our length once the whole piece is together. Space is only 21 inches, and I'm cutting this at 22 inches, just to be safe, because I mess it up. So I'm gonna switch my opposite to my opposite side. You go at 22 and a half, again. So then I'm gonna come down a ½ inch. I'm gonna come down a ½ inch. So I'm burning an inch. And this is where my 45 will be cut at. Because I don't need all this extra stuff. I just need the return piece on my crown. So I brought it over to 45 degrees on the opposite side. So you're gonna end up with something like this. Go ahead and put my glue on it. My adhesive and the activator. Just on the edge. So it'll go like that. And I'm gonna line up my edges and come down right in line with it. Flush. So we know that it's gonna go in place just like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my piece at 21¼ because it's alright if it overlays on the next cabinet just by 1/4 or an 1/8 inch, so your preference wise. As long as you do both sides the same. So I'm gonna do 1/4. So I'm gonna measure 21¼ . That's gonna be my corner mark. Because remember, I measured from the tip of my return to my 21¼ mark. So don't measure from the corner or the edges no more. You gotta measure from the outside edge. Because I'm cutting out 21¼ because that 1/4 inch right here is gonna be overlaying on the next cabinet. We're cut to length. So we'll put this in place. We're still gonna leave that ½ inch reveal. We're still gonna leave this ½ inch reveal on the face of it. Just enough to where our return is right on top of the edge of our cabinet. And this little gap that you see right here, see if you can see it, this little gap right here, we're going to go ahead and put a small filler piece in place. So for the gap right here, I'm going to cut me a piece right around at least 2 inches long and 1 3/4 high. We'll be right back. You're gonna need a pin nailer for this little piece. So this is my known brand pin nailer, cordless pin nailer, and some 1 inch or 3 1/4 pin nails will be just fine. 23 gauge. Let me slide these in here. So any block will do. There we go. So we're just gonna put it in place just like that. And I'm going to show you in a second what it looks like. There you go. Here's a return. Hope you're enjoying this video, and if you like it, please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks. So it's basically going to be the same thing for this side, for this 18-inch space. I'm just going to cut my piece total length 18 1/4. The return, so that's what I'm about to put in. Now I'm just do a fast motion, so I'll repeat the same thing twice. Let's go ahead and climb on up here. So it looks like underneath. Nice and tight. 1/2 inch reveal all the way around. You guys are doing a great job. I hope you guys are enjoying this and they learn something, and I hope it helps out do a good job whatever you guys are trying to accomplish in your kitchen. So check it out. Pretty much did all these difficult areas. Not hard at all. It's only 2-3 angles you gotta really memorize. And you could easily do something like this. Just having the right instruction and the right material. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed it and give it a like. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.